How to make AI images with Claude. So guys, there's something you need to understand. Claude cannot directly generate AI images. Claude is a text-based AI. It's meant for writing, coding, and analysis. It's not an image generator. But here's how you can use Claude to create images in a different way, in a unique manner. The first step would be to actually create a detailed AI image prompt for either a cinematic YouTube thumbnail or any cinematic experience you want to create an image for. Now, just make it dramatic, high contrast, and ultra realistic. You can do this by writing a simple prompt, something as simple as this. And then all you need to do here is simply click on send. So it's now going to go ahead and create a prompt for you. And then once it has created a prompt from here, all you need to do is take it over to another artificial intelligence like Midjourney, DALL-E, Leonardo AI, and Canva, which is my favorite. So all you need to do now is just go ahead and copy this. So copy this using the Control key and C, and then head over to Canva. Once you're on Canva, make sure you have logged into your account. If you do not have an account, simply create one. And then where we have Canva AI, click on this here, and then go ahead and paste in that prompt we had copied on Canva AI, and then click on the submit option. And boom, we have successfully created wonderful looking thumbnails. And all you need to do is just go ahead and click on download, add your YouTube or your Twitter logo or your channel logo to the top of this and a text, and you're done. All right, guys.